Throughout undergrad, unfortunately, I had more than a few friends kind of confide in me certain situations that happened to them. A lot of employers get away with being manipulative because they're in a position of power. And there's a lot of things that can be done if you have the right knowledge and skill set to do something about it. And so that's what really pushed me to go to law school. Helping clients be heard is the most meaningful thing for me. Mostly because it really does kind of tie back to why I became a lawyer in the first place. In a lot of these cases, clients are genuinely being ignored by the department. They probably feel like they're kind of screaming into a void. If they're even getting any responses at all, they're usually confusing. There's not much communication between the department and the clients. And so being able to bridge that gap and help people through these kinds of confusing and stressful circumstances, I think is extremely rewarding for me. One case in particular that I thought was very salient. The department opened a case against them without even having made allegations against them at all. And so this particular client was doing regular home visits with DCF. DCF was coming out to her house to check up on her and on her kids. And to me, it felt like the department was keeping the case open because that's what they do. And in many cases, when you just keep a case open for too long, it ends up, becoming a case where the social worker is looking for something to then make an allegation about. So the quicker we could get DCF out of this person's life, the more safer they would be. And so that's a situation where we were able to step in, make sure that their side was being heard, making sure that they were, the people who were keeping these cases open were being held accountable. My girlfriend and I are huge gamers. We play a lot of games together at home. When we're not at home, just relaxing, I'm usually going out with friends to board game cafes, playing board games with friends, going to coffee shops, hiking every once in a while. I like to just relax, lay low.